When I was checking about to come to China, I started to search for cities that might look like similar with my hometown. And then I found Yameen, a small island with a very good weather, and since that the food's like seafood, so very similar with my hometown Brazil. I've been doing stone business for the past 5 years, okay? Mainly exporting. I export Chinese materials to Brazil, to the US, to Latin America. Last year we shipped around 300 containers. Since last year, we also started to import Brazilian stone, mainly luxury stone, quartzite from Brazil, introducing the Chinese market. We are planning to invest something around 10 million RMB in import materials. We have this showroom here, and we are open next month a new showroom. The city full of opportunity, especially for young people like me. I mean, I love China, but Xiamen for sure is my favorite place to live in China. Nice weather, nice people, nice food. So Xiamen is just perfect.